So we have this data in Excel sheet inside the column in vertical form, and we want to change it to horizontal form inside a row. So how can we do it? If you want to do it manually, obviously it will take a lot of time, but if you want to do it through formula, it could be done within seconds. So let's do it. First you have to select the complete column and then press Ctrl plus C. After that, once you press Ctrl plus C, you have to select a blank column and then click Alt plus E plus S. Once you press that, a menu will appear in front of us. Here we have to select transpose option, and then once we select that, after pressing OK, all the data will be converted into horizontal form inside the rows. So it is very easy and simple, and it could be done within seconds. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did learn something from it, please give us a like. Have a good day.